When I applied, I initially didn't think it would be like as interesting as it really was, because like for me it was like, oh, pesticides, there's a lot of studies on it. I would love to work with this, but I didn't have like an idea of what it was until I went. And when I went, I really liked the people that I was working with. I liked the focus of everything. We would look at different environmental health issues, and I'm like, this is kind of what I like. And I don't know, I just kind of started going more and more. And Jessica and I, we both really got invested in the study. We started off with the study, so it's kind of like our baby. We created the name, we created the logo, and all of that. So yeah, it's a really big part of our lives for like these past 4 years. We've been working with it, and we're kind of sad to see it coming to an end, honestly.
We
Mhm.
also got to learn, public speaking. We practiced a lot, presentations, and honestly, I found it extremely fun. I was learning how to animate, and I learned how to draw in the vector art style for the first time on Adobe Draw. And yeah, like the whole process of learning and making just like an animated video from scratch, and seeing how, oh, that's my artwork out there. Like I drew that and now it's a video. What I found the most just like interesting and the most significant thing was that there was an 86% decrease of chloroform after switching from conventional cleaning products to green cleaning products. And it really put into perspective how cleaning products served as like potential carcinogens. And they also serve as like hormone disruptors. And just the fact that people use them on a daily basis, or some people use them on a daily basis, and they don't see the harmful effects that can attribute to their health. And some people don't take into account taking preventions towards coming into physical contact with these products. Like you clean, but you don't think about wearing gloves or a mask or opening a window.
All 50 participants, all combined, all of their cleaning products added up to like a total of 205 different cleaning products that they use. And I find that crazy because it's like 50 houses and there's 205 cleaning products, like different cleaning products, and that's like different chemicals.
I feel like the best route to go is to switch to green cleaning. It's better for the environment and better for your health. There are a lot of ways where you can DIY products at home. Like, for example, a window cleaner, all you have to do is vinegar and water and dish soap, I believe. And there you have it, an at-home DIY glass cleaner. It's so easy to find recipes online that are effective and in a way healthier for you and the environment.
I would prefer to teach people like these are kind of ways to reduce that exposure, like open up windows, open up doors, use microfiber cloths, um, but like also be try to be like try to see what kind of products you use and try to try other ones so that you can change them up sometimes here and there. As I worked with the study, it kind of pushed me towards wanting to help my community out more and more, and I'm like, okay, I really want to do this. And public health was just something that kind of called out to me, and I'm like, okay, this is what I want to study. So I'm actually going to study environmental studies at UC Santa Cruz this fall.
I plan to pursue computer science and double major in public health at UC Berkeley. And I've had a lot of exposures of technology, of careers in technology, from my past experiences, from past programs that I've done. And I really like the topic of computer bias and like technological access. And I feel like combining computer science, technology, and public health is a great way to create systems for people like home cleaners or farm workers, like people from my community, to be able to learn how to use these tools.
And I think that the youth council is great because it kind of targets the future of our community, right? The youth. And it starts off by educating them, and it helps us educate our community. So in a way, it's kind of like what's it called? Two birds, one stone.
Another impact that we're making, well, as to like my younger siblings, is opening the door for them to want to learn about science and want to make their community better. And I feel that to the younger people, their voices need to be heard, and they can make an impact. And seeing the young people want to better their community It's just a great thing to see, and I really like that.